Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you can see that overall setup has remained the same. There is not much movement on the chart of GBP JPY. As a result, things have not changed much. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that here is our GBP JPY, and you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 91% retail traders have taken short position and only 8% retail traders have taken long position. So 91% retail traders thought and still thinking that market will be going down, whereas 8% retail traders have taken long position. And see where they have taken short position: 152.72. This is the average short price, and right now it is trading at 157. They have mostly shorted the market here, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money. We always think that why we lose money, and the main reason is that we fail to follow the trend of the market. Whether you're trading on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. In market, trend is the most important thing. Okay, trend is your friend. If you want to become a consistent profitable trader, then you'll have to learn to follow the trend of the market. If you fail to follow the trend of the market, it will be very difficult for you to become a profitable trader. So what is the trend here? The trend is towards the upside. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So this market is in uptrend right now, there is no doubt, and right now you can see that there is a retracement going on. Market is consolidating, because after running for a while, obviously market gets tired. So therefore we need to wait for the right time. So considering the trend of the market, we will only focus on buying opportunities. So first of all, okay, I would like to talk about the level of 155.45. 155.45. If market, okay, I am using the word if because chances are very less but still anything may happen in the market. Okay, therefore if market comes down and reaches the 155.45 level, you need to observe the price and see. If market bounces from 155.45 level, we can go for buy. Why 155.45? Because this is the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if market comes down and bounces from the 155.45 level, we can go for buy. Okay, and secondly, you can see that I have made a bullish flag here, and right now, as per the general understanding of the bullish flag pattern, market has already cross the flag, and we should go for a buy, isn't it? But here you can see that I have also mentioned that buy above 157.75, because though we have a bullish flag pattern here, but still we have a immediate resistance at 157.75. so it would be wise for us to go for buy above this level only, because see, if you buy here, there is a possibility of market reversing from the weekly resistance level. So why take the risk? So just wait for the right time. So if market crosses 157.75 level, just see, observe the price. If you see the price is trading comfortably above this level for 4 to 6 hours, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, we can go for buy, and just click on the buy button above 157.75. and on the other hand, if market comes down for some retracement, then let it come down to the level of 155.45 level. If it bounces from here, this will be your second trading opportunity. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY right now. And most importantly, my dear friends, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong also, you can be wrong also. Therefore, being a trader, this is your most important duty, to protect your capital. Okay, so you can only protect your capital by following risk management. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.